Today we have a 1956 Austin Healey 100M Le Mans. It is a car that is close to our hearts because it is our car, which we've enjoyed on several rallies, and which is only for sale because we've just purchased another car for rallies and we don't need two. I hope the other one is as good as this one is because I prefer this one. This video is going to be great because this car is awesome. Well, there's our cold start, which is extremely cold because the Healey's been sitting outside for the last 5 hours and it's 39 degrees. So, let's get on the road, warm it up a little bit. She is warmed up. We are on the FFR road. We are cruising and then go back. Overdrive works in third and fourth gears. This particular 100M is run in the Mille Miglia before, not in my ownership, but it has. It is really turnkey. Everything is working. Sounds pretty awesome with the side pipes and the straight cut gears. It truly loves the back roads and the twisties. It's fun, even at 30 some odd degrees. And here we are for our flybys. No foliage for Jason today. Barren. Jason, get out of the car. Well, I hope you enjoyed the flybys. We're gonna head up towards the farm road on some more twisties. It just puts a smile on your face. We're not going a billion miles per hour, but it feels great. Feels like you are. What's cool with these Healey hot rods is that you can keep up on a lot of these rallies with a lot of more powerful cars because they're lightweight and still having enough power. I believe this is putting out about 185 horsepower. Been dyno tuned, it's been dialed in. It's actually been great to us, right? You even see on the photographs of the car, my daughter on the last tour actually matched her nails to it, which only a 20-year-old woman can do, because I would look really silly having my nails matched to this. In fact, I'm in the car business, so all I do is bite my nails. Oh, I'm sorry. Few people get to do what they enjoy. I'm one of them. I don't bite my nails. This is how they're manicured. Okay, well, that was a little bit of banter there because it is 30 some odd degrees and we are enjoying ourselves, but we are also cold. It's not so bad, but it's not so good. So welcome to the Northeast and road testing a Healey 100M Le Mans. and we're on the farm road in 2 seconds. We're going to want to get on it a little bit and show you that it does have some really good power. Here you go. First, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, and of course, now we're going to get on it a little bit. So let's drop to second. I don't know what else we could say other than it is not only a Healey 100M that is in the Le Mans registry, it was a factory 100M, but it is also well tuned and modified for rallying and fast road fun, and or the track if you'd like, but I choose fast road fun. So I hope you enjoyed the road test today of our Healey 100M Le Mans.